cause major health problems such as heart disease. Joining us today to reveal the truth about some dental myths and ease some of your worries about sitting in that chair is the author of Smile for Life, Dr. Jim Bahcall. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Dina. I think that people really don't realize how bad it is to ignore dental health. And you earlier when we were talking in the break gave me a staggering statistic about how many people don't go to the dentist just because of that fear.
That's correct. 30 to 40 million Americans don't seek regular dental care due to fear. And the reason I wrote the book Smile for Life was to, one, educate people on overcoming this fear, but also, secondly, to help educate them on the importance of oral health care.
Heart disease is one major thing that can happen because of improper dental hygiene. Why is that? How does that happen?
Well, there's a current study that just came out. It shows the inflammation of gum tissues has a direct correlation, sometimes indirect correlation, to cardiac disease. The reason is that it shows C-reactive protein, which is a marker for inflammation in the body, has a true correlation. So they're showing that people with gum disease have a greater risk for a heart condition.
Still, the major thing, I know I was talking to Randy before we did this interview, he said the drill, not the drill. Is there anything else, or are we still using the drill in dentistry?
Well, I'm happy to say that this is not your grandfather's dentistry anymore, that we live with 21st century dentistry. And with that, first of all, people correlate the sound of the drill to pain, and there's no correlation. But in advancement, one, the high-speed drill is really starting to replace by an electric drill, which really eliminates the sound. Also, there's lasers and air abrasions, which are able, the small microparticles that can remove decay with minimum discomfort to the patient.
That's great. And are there any other things that are helping people feel more at ease when they are sitting in the dental chair? Just things that kind of get in your head to make you more relaxed?
Well, as a professor of dentistry, I try through education, primarily within the book and when I educate my own patients, to empower them with the knowledge of what 21st century dentistry is all about. And I think it's the old adage, you know, the anticipation of an event is much greater than the actual event. And when people really understand what dental care is all about today, they're much more at ease of seeing the dentist.
Think about why it's so important and get your smile in shape. Dr. Jim Bahcall, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
The book, Smile for Life, is available at Barnes & Noble, Borders, and Amazon.com. And a portion of the proceeds go to the American Dental Association's Oral Health Care Program. And don't go away.